Have you ever wondered why you do the things the way that you do them? Why you are driven to express yourself in a certain way? Or why some people seem wired for community while others are born to innovate or share stories? In human design, the answer lives inside the three major circuits: the energetic highways that connect your centers and define the flow of your life force. And once you understand them, you start to see why your energy feels the way that it does. Because these circuits, they are not random. They tell the story of how your energy moves through you, and towards the world. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to HPTV channel. I am Barbara, and this is the second video in my new Human Design Channels series. In the first video, we talked about channels, the bridges between centers that create your definition. And circuitry sort of zooms out from there. It shows the pattern behind those bridges. So think of it like the wiring of a house. Each room or center has lights and outlets, but the circuits decide how energy flows between them, whether it powers one private room, the whole house, or connects several homes together. That's what circuitry does in your chart. It reveals how your energy is designed to connect and communicate. And that is where we start to see three main themes: the individual, the collective, and the tribal. In the individual circuit, it is all about mutation. This is the energy of innovation, originality, and deep internal knowing. People with strong individual circuitry aren't here to fit in. They are here to shift things. Their energy moves in pulses. It's unpredictable. It breaks patterns and it brings something entirely new into existence. But here's the thing: that can also feel lonely because mutation doesn't happen in a crowd. It happens in silence, in solitude, in the moments when no one else really understands what you're doing yet. So if you carry a lot of individual energy, you might feel misunderstood or even rejected at times. But that's not because you're wrong, it's because your energy is just ahead of time. And your gift is to hold your uniqueness long enough for the world to catch up. Then there's the collective circuit, the energy that holds the blueprint of evolution. And it comes in two branches: logic and abstract, both focused on sharing and learning through experience. The logic side studies patterns and it predicts what could work better next time. It's about improvement, progress, and creating systems that make life more efficient for everyone. The abstract side, on the other hand, learns through story. It looks back, it reflects, and it shares wisdom through experience, through art, memory, and meaning. Collective energy is about connection through shared understanding. It asks, what can I see, learn, or express that helps us all to grow? And if you carry this energy, you are here to share your perspective. Not because you have all the answers, but because your reflections move humanity forward. And then we have the tribal circuit, the circuitry of love, support, and material exchange. This is the heartbeat of community. It values belonging, responsibility, and protection. Tribal energy is about we, not me. It's the frequency that builds families, partnerships, and societies. It's where values are shared, promises are honored, and resources are exchanged. If you're strongly tribal, then your energy naturally looks out for others. You care about stability, loyalty, and ensuring everyone in your circle is taken care of. And your wisdom comes through relationships, through what it means to give, to receive, and to build something lasting together. So, which one of these three circuits resonates the most with you? I'd love to hear. Share it in the comments below. And also tell me which of these things sparked an aha moment or a deep insight into yourself. So, most of us in reality are a blend of these. So, maybe your chart is mostly individual with a touch of collective, or deeply tribal with one or two individual sparks that keep things fresh. There's no better circuitry, only the way that your energy wants to move. And when you understand your circuitry, you start to see your natural rhythm. You stop fighting how you connect, how you create or lead, and instead you learn to move with it. That's when everything starts to click in your relationships, your work, and the way that you share your energy with the world. So, if you've ever wondered why some things come effortlessly while others feel like pushing against the current, then look at your circuitry. It's your energetic fingerprint. It shows you where your flow truly lives. In the next video, we'll go deeper into the individual circuit, what it feels like to have or to live with that frequency, its shadows and its genius, and how to honor your unique mutation energy without burning out or isolating. And if you want to explore your own chart more deeply, your circuitry, your channels, and how they shape your purpose, then you can get the Be You by Design blueprint through the link below this video. And of course, if this resonates, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next video that is a part of this series. What of these circuitries resonates the most with you? What do you think you are, or what do you know you are? Leave me a comment and I promise to answer each and every one. And if you feel like I don't know what I want, I don't know what I need, but I feel a resonance with what you're sharing, I'd like to explore what the options are, then I'd like to invite you to book a free clarity call with me. The link to do so is also included in the show notes below this video. For today, have an amazing rest of your day, and I look forward to inspiring you next week with the third video in this series. Have an amazing day today.